Mayor Lenny Curry announcing a new coronavirus vaccine site serving people on the north side. They can get their first dose starting tomorrow. It's very important to listen for the next few minutes as we explain who can show up tomorrow and who should show up Saturday to get their vaccine.
The location is the Clansdale T. Brown Senior Center on Moncrief Road. The mayor says the city learned a few days ago it would receive another allotment of Pfizer vaccines. News4Jax reporter Jim Piggott leads our coverage on the pandemic tonight. Joining us live at this new vaccine site. Jim, how many people can get shots there?
Well, 975 people will be able to get the vaccine. The city received enough for both doses, but that's a very limited number. They've been getting ready here for some time, today anyway, and they know that there's going to be some long lines with all of this, so they divided this up into two groups. We could see long lines again like we did the first day that vaccines were available last month at the senior sites. But starting tomorrow at 9 a.m., the doors at the Clansdale Brown Senior Center on Moncrief Road will open. The first 500 people whose birth date is between January and June will get the shot. Then on Saturday, 450 more people whose birth month is from July to December will then get their shot. Well, not limiting the new vaccine site to a particular neighborhood, Mayor Curry is hoping people will respect that this is a community in dire need of it.
By locating a site here in Northwest Jacksonville, we are leveraging the limited allotment we have in a way that has the biggest impact. Here, we are better able to reach sections of our community that are less likely to have reliable transportation, are at a higher risk for contracting COVID-19, and more likely to suffer severe symptoms.
The health department made the vaccine available to the city, and the mayor says he was able to act quickly and get the site open. He knows demand is high. The city says they learned from the earlier operations in Mandarin and the West Side. So now when people arrive, they will be given a voucher or a ticket that will guarantee them a shot when they can come back later and not have to wait in line. But again, there is a limited number.
I would just encourage people, get here, get your voucher if you need to, and get in line.
During the announcement today, the mayor and city council members were asked about the skepticism some have about getting the vaccine. Councilman Sam Newby spoke up and urged all of those who can to get it. He was one of the first in Jacksonville to come down with COVID-19 and says he nearly died.
You don't want to be in the situation I was where I'm telling my wife that I'm not going to make it. Gonna get the insurance policy out because this is a deadly, deadly disease.
Do you think this is enough, and should this have happened earlier, that we should have seen a Northside site open?
Well, it's not enough, but it's a good start.
You know, and I know there's been concern about transportation, people getting to this site, particularly the elderly. Well, there is a number that they can call. JTA will be providing rides to those heading here. Here's a phone number, 904-679-4555. They can arrange that for you to get here. Also, the AME Church, they're providing transportation for people, and they suggest that you give them a call at 904-739-7500. We've been out here, and people have been coming up. They have questions. The thing is, the doors open at 9 a.m. tomorrow. You know there's going to be a long line. We're live in Northwest Jacksonville. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.